Hello friends, this is Rizwan Khan, and in this video I will show you this beautiful dashboard. And this is the front end, and this is, you can see the header or nav bar. In this nav bar, one input field, so you can search. Okay, this is the message tab, and this is the notification tab. Okay guys, and this is the another tab for admin. So you can see here this admin profile or settings or logout button. Okay, so you can click this button or icon, so you can see the sidebar. You can see one sidebar here, and in this sidebar the dashboard tab and the employees tabs or the current users tab. You click this. So first of all, I will explain this dashboard. So you can see one total sale column, okay, and total today sale and total sale, and the today revenue, and this is the total revenue column. Okay, you can see this sales chart. Okay, and this is the extra another chart. Okay guys, so below this you can see one more table, so total sales table you can see here. Okay, so in this time this all data are static, so I will this all data dynamic with the help of PHP and MySQL. Okay guys, so don't worry. And this is the message column, so all the messages see here the admin, so this time the admin are active. Okay, and this is the calendar, beautiful calendar, and this is the today list, so you can add here from add one new task. Okay, so after this I will show you the employees page. Okay guys, so in this employees table all the charts and columns are same, but the table are different. The current employees showing here. Okay, so this is actually the static data right now. With the help of PHP and MySQL, I will these all data are dynamic. Okay, so after this I will show you the current users page, and you can see the current users page. Okay, so the current users table you can see. Okay guys, I hope you are all excited about this dashboard panel, because I will create this dashboard dynamic with the help of PHP and MySQL database. So all the works are done will with the help of functions and Ajax base actually. So in the next video I will create this database. Okay guys, so this is the trailer video, so I hope you enjoyed. And if you guys if you are interested the tutorials, PHP or HTML tutorial course, so guys I will create this all videos here for you. So guys, please visit my channel and please watch my videos. I hope you are enjoyed, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.